Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing at home makeup. I'm not going anywhere, just sitting down and just enjoying the day. So I decided to just wants to do makeup and don't go anywhere, just look beautiful and just don't go anywhere. So today's video, that part is going to be, so it's not going to be too fancy, but just simple and whatever. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna put on lashes or whatsoever, so I don't know. So let's go. But I just want to do a simple get ready with me. And the foundation today I'm gonna be using is a foundation I had since last year and I never used it. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was for $2.99, and this is the Shea Moisture Weightless Shea Serum Foundation Natural Finish. This is what it looks like. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be using, and I found this in my stash when I was doing my cleanup with my makeup and things. If you haven't seen that video yet, so you might want to check that out and stuff. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be using my face primer by Wet n Wild. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with, this is how the foundation look. It's 1 fluid ounce. So let's see what is it gonna do. Okay, so I'm going to pump it. Okay, and literally, let's see. Alright, so I am done with that part. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, my e.l.f. concealer. So if I was gonna go out, I would literally wait for the concealer to be tacky before I started blending it. But since we are only gonna be home, we're not going anywhere, I'm just gonna go in and use my, I'm gonna go in first and use my brush and pat it on my skin. Okay, the foundation look kind of oily to me. I don't know if you guys are looking at the same thing that I'm looking at, but I don't know if it's because it sat down for so long. So, but once I put the powder on, it should be able to suck everything in and stuff like that. So I'm going to go in with my not much. So I'm gonna put the powder all over so that it will suck the oil that was coming from the foundation. Like I'm setting my whole entire face basically. That's what this is. I don't want too much powder, so just doing minimalistic. And okay, so while that is settling in, so I'm just gonna go in with Five Below palette. This is how the palette looks like. This is called Rose. Okay, this is from Five Below, and I never used it before, so I'm just gonna do some quick eye look and see what I'm gonna get from here. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this color right here. It says blushing. I only used the concealer and a setting powder that came from my eyes, so I didn't add any primer on my eyes or anything like that. So whatever you see, this is exactly what I did. So I didn't add anything else on there. So if you want to see more tutorial, let me know. Makeup. Okay, so for the outer corner, I'm just gonna use this Midnight Rose Midnight, yeah. So I'm just gonna put it right there, not anything, but just put it in the outer V. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a blending brush and just blend everything like right here. Okay, and that's basically it. Alright, so I'm not doing so much, like I said. I'm only doing minimum of that. Okay, so Okay, so now I'm just gonna press in the pressed powder. Yeah, I'm just gonna press in the powder on my face, so now you don't see any oil on my face or anything like that, because I literally I put the powder all over my face and did not wipe it off and try to blend it. Okay, so that is that, and I'm going to okay, I'm going to line my lips. I'm not going in particular order, but and then I'm gonna use the LA Colors, what is this called, matte lipstick. That's what it says on the thing. Okay, so now, I'm gonna do some highlight, and yeah, I'm gonna do some highlight. Trying to see which one I want. Okay, I'm literally gonna put it right there. So I'm gonna be using this City Color B matte blush. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so
Camera's upstairs.
okay, then go down there. So guys, this is the final look. Yes, this is the final look. And just let it dry, and this is it. What do you guys think? If you want to know more about this hair, I will post it maybe after this video, but for now, this is my final look, y'all. Very simple. just to stay home and look beautiful. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Is this what you would like to see more of, or more beauty videos and things like that? So let me know down in the comment section. But for now, I'll see you guys.